Hello, dear one. Thank you so much for making the time to watch this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Leslie Bridger. I'm an author, speaker, certified health and wellness coach, nature photographer, and meditation guide. In this video, I'm going to be talking about step 3, why and how nature heals. Stay tuned. I just first want to say thank you, and congratulations. You've made it to step 3. Hopefully you've been taking the actions along the way that I have suggested. And if you haven't, please watch the video that's titled Loving Encouragement if you haven't taken action. Because if you want to lead a life filled with hope and possibilities, it's important that you not just watch videos or read books and then not put into action the things that you're learning. It's about finding the courage and bravery within to take the difficult steps, because I know you're not well, probably, if you're watching this in many ways, and I know how difficult it is to take action, but yes, please watch that first. So I'm going to be reading from my book, Alive and Thriving, page 206, Step 3, Heal in Mother Earth's Arms. And this section is called Why and How Nature Heals. From a young age, I always felt better when I was outside amongst the trees. As an adult, I needed the backing of reputable research studies to justify the effectiveness of what I knew intuitively, especially when I spoke to a room full of questioning medical professionals. And I would say things, hundreds of reputable research studies show that being in nature, or even just viewing scenes of nature, reduces anger, fear, stress, anxiety, and depression, while increasing pleasant feelings, including happiness. These studies have not only shown that it makes you feel better emotionally, nature also has been proven to promote healing and well-being by soothing pain, as well as by reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. Some research has even shown that people live longer when they make time to be outside. So I intuitively knew all of that. And after the bicycle accident that nearly ended my life, while I was in the coma, I was shown why and how nature heals on a much deeper level. So everything on this planet has God, source, divine energy at its very core. We are divinity expressed in human form. Earth, air, water, fire, and fire are all divinity in their respective forms, as are animals, insects, and all sea life. Unlike humans, though, the natural world is always strongly and fully connected to all that is, to all that they are, to their divinity, this perfection at their very core. It doesn't worry about nor question its existence as we do. It's always vibrating at the energy of the source from which it came, every moment of every day, constantly sending out radio signals of divine perfection. When people are around Mother Earth, she helps activate this knowledge within their bodies and energy fields, no matter how hidden it may be with anything that is not in alignment with this truth. That's why hundreds of respected and well-researched scientific studies have shown how people heal on all levels, mentally, emotionally, physically, and in every other area of their lives, just by being in nature's presence. The natural world are all of the elements: earth, air, water, fire, and ether, the energy that encompasses it all, is made from the energy that we are. They, as I already said, they don't question whether they're too old, too fat, too tall, too skinny, not enough, like we do as humans. They are already vibrating at the energy field of perfection, of divine perfection, of, the ocean, the seas, the trees. It's all vibrating at this powerful energy. That's why when you're around nature, whether you believe it or not, they're vibrating at a higher frequency than most humans. So when you are in this energy field, that somehow raises your vibration. So make time today, dear one, to be present with the beauty of the natural world, whether it's looking at pictures of your favorite scenes, whether it's watching videos of your favorite places, looking out your window, or just visualizing, or actually going for a walk and being around the natural world. It is always there to uplift you, always, dear one. So I encourage you, even for a few minutes, to be present with the natural healing energy and beauty of Mother Earth and the other elements. Whether it's taking a candlelit bath, whether it's walking in nature, whether it's sitting on your front porch and looking at the trees, or feeling the sun on your skin for a few moments. All of that will help raise your vibration. All right, dear one, I love you. I'm here to help you raise your vibration, to connect with all that you are. I love you. I believe in you. I am here to lovingly stand by your side and support you on your healing journey. Sending much love and big, big hugs your way. Bye for now. Remember, you are a powerful creator.